Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos helping you learn English fast. This morning I was chatting online to a French friend of mine to find out how he's coping during the lockdown, and he revealed to me that he hadn't been out of his house for a month now. I was quite shocked by this and asked how he managed to get food, how did he get his groceries, his provisions, and he said to me, I get them delivered, they bring them to me every week. Now, this sounded quite upper class to me, so I responded by saying, ooh, la-di-da. We often say la-di-da as a response to someone if we think they're trying to show us that they have an upper class way of behaving, especially when we find it annoying. So maybe a friend of yours tells you that when they went on holiday, they stayed at the Grand Imperial Hotel. Ooh, la-di-da! If you like this video, please click like, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about times where you felt the need